Okay, video now. This is the trek of the ATV ride. Oh. Wow, naiwan na tayo. Dali, habol lang ako Trek area. Ay si Michelle. Habulin natin si Michelle. Ayun sila. Ayun sila. Ayun. Ayun, umakit na. Uphill climb. We're going uphill. The ATV ride of Grande Island. Ayan ang view. Oh, sorry. Ayun na sila. Ayun na, ayun na, ayun na. Oh. Nice pa. Why? Go, go, go. Picture. Oh, look at me. Bye, bye. You want to... Hello, I'm my birthday today. Okay, hataw. Bye. Ito yung forest area ng Subic na in-ATV ride namin. Oops, preno. Okay, mamaya na ako mag-video. Bye-bye.